When it comes to protecting and beautifying your home in Sterling Heights, the type of siding you choose plays a critical role. With the area's mix of snowy winters, rainy springs, and hot, humid summers, homeowners need siding that offers not only curb appeal but also durability and energy efficiency. Here's a customer-focused look at the best siding materials to consider for your home in Sterling Heights. Vinyl siding. Affordable and low-maintenance. Vinyl siding remains one of the most popular choices in Sterling Heights, and for good reason. It's budget-friendly, easy to install, and available in a wide variety of colors and styles, including options that mimic wood grain. Benefits. Weather-resistant. Handles Michigan's snow and rain well without rotting or warping. Low maintenance. Only needs occasional washing to look new. Cost-effective. One of the most economical choices for siding. Best for homeowners seeking a balance between affordability, style, and durability. Fiber cement siding. Strong and stylish. For those who want the look of natural wood without the high maintenance, fiber cement siding is an excellent option. It's composed of cement, sand, and cellulose fibers, making it one of the most resilient siding materials available. Benefits. Fire and moisture resistant. Great for Sterling Heights' humid summers and cold winters. Long lifespan. Typically lasts over 30 years with proper care. Aesthetic appeal. Offers the appearance of wood, stucco, or masonry. Best for homeowners looking for upscale style with strong weather resistance. Engineered wood siding. Natural looks with modern strength. Engineered wood siding gives you the charm of traditional wood siding but with enhanced durability. It's made by binding wood strands together with resin and coating them with wax for water resistance. Benefits. Real wood appearance. Looks more authentic than fiber cement or vinyl. Durable and treated for insects. Ideal for the occasional pest problems in the area. Easier to install than traditional wood, reducing labor costs. Best for homeowners who value the timeless beauty of wood but want improved resistance to moisture and insects. Metal siding. Modern and energy efficient. Aluminum and steel siding are growing in popularity for their sleek look and longevity. In Sterling Heights, where energy efficiency and snow resistance matter, metal siding delivers on both fronts. Benefits. Fire and pest resistant, will not rot, burn, or get eaten by termites. Highly durable, can withstand heavy snow and hail. Reflects heat, helps reduce cooling costs in hot summers. Best for modern or industrial-style homes and eco-conscious homeowners focused on energy efficiency. Brick and stone veneer. Timeless and elegant. Although more expensive, brick and stone veneer siding provides a classic and sophisticated appearance. It also performs well against Michigan's harsh climate. Benefits. High-end curb appeal. Adds resale value. Excellent insulation properties. Helps keep indoor temperatures stable. Fireproof and pest resistant. A long-lasting investment. Best for homeowners looking to boost property value and achieve a stately exterior look. Final thoughts. Choosing the right siding material for your home in Sterling Heights depends on your budget, style preferences, and how much maintenance you're willing to take on. Whether you're drawn to the affordability of vinyl, the strength of fiber cement, or the luxury of stone veneer, there's a perfect fit for every home and lifestyle. A siding upgrade isn't just about aesthetics, it's about protecting your investment from Michigan's unpredictable weather and ensuring comfort year-round. Take the time to compare your options, and don't hesitate to consult a local contractor who understands the unique climate and architectural trends of Sterling Heights.